Multiple alleles are a non-Mendelian inheritance pattern which has more than 2 alleles that code for a trait. In this example, I crossed the alleles for tall and short with the alleles for black fur and gray fur. We can find homozygous dominant individuals in square 1 and homozygous recessive individuals in square 16. All the other squares have heterozygous individuals. Okay, so here we're talking about feather color in pigeons, so we know that BA is a dominant allele and that stands for ash red feathers. B is recessive to BA and dominant to lowercase b, and that stands for blue feathers. And B is just recessive and that stands for chocolate feathers. So below it asks us to list the different phenotypes of each genotype given, and so we can see, BAB would be ash red because BA is dominant over B. And then BA lowercase b would also be ash red because BA is dominant over lowercase b. And yeah, so on and so forth. Lowercase b is chocolate because that is homozygous recessive. And then BA is homozygous dominant for ash red. And then on the side, we just write whether it's heterozygous or homozygous. So if it's heterozygous, we write HTZ, and this one is heterozygous because it is BA, which is dominant, and B, still uppercase B, but that's recessive to BA. And so, yeah, we just go on down the line. BA is HMZ because that is homozygous dominant. So, yeah, that's it. And then we go down, and using a Punnett square, we show a cross among an ash red heterozygous male who also carries the chocolate allele and a blue heterozygous female. So we know that this male also carries the chocolate allele, meaning that his genotype is heterozygous, so BA and lowercase b. And then a blue heterozygous female. Well, if the female is blue, so we know that it has a capital B allele. But we also know that the other allele must be a lowercase b because lowercase b is the only thing that's recessive to capital B. So yeah, we set up our Punnett square. And the results are 25% blue, 25% chocolate, and 50% ash red in the phenotype. So